Hello guys, welcome back to another Things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix YouTube app not opening on Android. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if the YouTube app here is not opening up on your Android device here, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing. So first things first is you want to make sure that YouTube here is fully closed and it does not have any temporary files, or you've cleared your temporary files here. So first things first, you want to look for the YouTube app, press and hold on it, and you want to go and click on the app info option here. Now from here, you want to go and click on the four stop at the bottom left of your screen. Click on OK. Click on clear data at the bottom right here, and click on clear cache and OK. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just close this one and open up YouTube and see if that actually helps. Now, also you want to make sure that you have the updated version of YouTube. So you want to go ahead and go to search here, look for YouTube. And if you do see an update button next to YouTube here, go ahead and click on it and just basically wait for the update to complete. But once it's actually done, you want to go and just start your phone and see if that helps. Now, another thing that you could try doing here is you want to make sure that the time on your device is correct. Now, sometimes if the time itself is not correct, this can cause problems with the YouTube app here. So in this case, you want to go and open up your settings here, and you want to go ahead and change or update your time settings. So usually it's going to be under the additional settings option here. Go to date and time here, and you want to make sure that you set this automatically, and also you want to set this via zone automatically, and also use location here, so that every time you're using your phone, it's setting the correct time here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to enough inspo. Thank you for watching.